Good morning, guys. How's the view? This now we are at the Chamba Mussoorie highway, and we are heading towards Dhanolti now. We have come from this way, and we will go up to that way and higher up to Dhanolti. And so here's the rider,
Hi,
Srijan.
so we are going to Dhanolti today, and it is around 32 kilometers from Mall Road in Mussoorie, and it's I think gonna take around 1.5 hours.
Let's go. Come along with us. Yes. So, friends, here we are heading towards Dhanolti. There is 23 more kilometers to go till Dhanolti, and while going to Dhanolti, Srijan will be riding. While coming back, I'll be riding. It's a good road, but there are sharp turns. So, what are your views?
As you correctly said, the road is splendid. It's a bit narrow, and the turns are also very sharp, and there are turns at every 100 meters or so. But then the quality of the road is quite good, and the views are very nice.
You come from outer space, and I was sprung out from the earth. We laid down face to face to witness our rebirth, and I'm not leaving while you're breathing. I won't run away. They say it won't last, you'll move along, but we're moving too fast. I know they're wrong, 'cause we are like invisible light in the dark. And there's an endless road on the edge of the map, so let's pack our hats in a burlap sack and go. Leaves are falling, we are stalling. Seasons come and go, but winter's chill won't leave me ill. I'll fight, you'll fight. Toothpaste and lemonade, polka dots and stripes.
So we have 17 more kilometers to go, but on every step the beauty of the mountains and the valleys, the forests and the snow capped peaks that you can see further there, it mesmerizes us, and it forces us to stop and look at the view, wonder, and record videos also.
Don't know what those ranges are actually. Might be Mango 3, Amino 3, some other peaks, but
Okay, let's go. Hope to find more such views ahead. Bye.
so guys, we are about 8 kilometers from Dhanolti right now, and these are some of the most scenic places in the whole of Mussoorie. The roads are fantastic and the views are stunning. If we had more time, we would have stopped in many of these places to catch a glimpse, to soak in the beauty of these places, but the thing is that we are a bit short on time. That's why we are not able to stop in between. We are at Eco Park at Dhanolti right now, and here Dhanolti is a forest area comprising tall
pine
trees.
and devdar trees.
Pine trees and deodar trees. There are pine trees all around, and
There's a viewpoint up there.
I think this might be the highest point of this eco park. So let's go this way. Let's see. The shape of the hills are beautiful. There is a beautiful curve, and we have terrace farming all through the hills, and in the lower parts there are thick forests of pine. So I wish we could have gone to the top of that mountain, but I don't think we can go from this route. So would you like to go this way?
So this is Srijan trekking all the way.
These parts are also nice, with
Yes.
lovely views of the peaks of Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath,
Yes.
and all those mountains.
Look at the steps. This is built mainly of the bamboos and little bricks. Quickly make you run through the steps. Okay. So yes.
So this is the Dhanolti market area. We have crossed the eco park. In Dhanolti there is a second eco park here, and there are a lot of tourist lodges and adventure resorts here. Up ahead we are going to Surkanda Devi Mandir. We have to park our vehicle below, and then we have to go up for about, I think, 2 kilometers or so. There's a horse here. So we have reached Surkanda Devi temple, and there are a lot of shops. I think this is the starting point, and we have to go up there. If you can see in the background, cable cars are also being built, which will take you directly to the top. But even if there was any cable car available, we would have hiked now. So
We are here at the starting point of Surkanda Devi temple, and just beside the point where the hiking starts, we have this little shop. And भैया आपका नाम क्या है? मेरा
आशीष सकलानी।
हाँ, शॉप ऑफ मिस्टर आशीष सकलानी। ये इनके रिजॉर्ट्स भी है, ऊपर रेस्टोरेंट्स है जगदीश फैमिली रिजॉर्ट के नाम पे। तो अगर कोई सुरकंदा देवी आए तो यहाँ से ले सकते हैं आप सामान जो भी चाहिए। यहाँ पे
रुक
रह भी सकते हैं, रुक भी सकते हैं। जस्ट ये है, जस्ट जहाँ पे हाइकिंग पॉइंट स्टार्ट हो रहा है उसके जस्ट बगल में है। ओके, थैंक यू भैया, आते हैं नीचे ऊपर। So let's do the hike. We will take us around 40 to 45 minutes, and it's all the way up. So it will be very tiring, that I understand. Let's see. It will be very tiring. So Just we have taken say about 10 to 15 steps. उसी में हालत टाइट हो गई. अभी और भी जाना है. ओह, तो चलो मिलते हैं ऊपर. ओके, बाय.
There are a few horses here which you can avail. They'll take you all the way up, but we asked actually from some of the people who are coming down. It's going to take around they took around 2 hours to go up. We hope for us the time will be lesser than that. There are shops along the way also. I think you can take a break if you feel tired and have some food and then resume your journey. But we would like to cover this in the shortest time possible. Srijita is already a bit tired.
No, I'm not. But now I must say this is awful. Awfully beautiful. But yes, the respite is that there are all the shops, little shops where you can take some break. And yes, अभी टॉप तो दिखने लग गई, अभी मंदिर दिखने लग गई. ठीक है, वो ऊपर द सैफरन बिल्डिंग
यहाँ से लग रहा है कि ज़्यादा
I
नहीं
think
है
the
डिस्टेंस, मतलब
टेम्पल.
लेकिन लोग बोल रहे हैं कि ये सब स्टार्टिंग है, अभी तक जितना तक हम
Yes,
आए.
because it will be steep. See from where that guy is climbing or summiting. So it's hope the Uttarakhand government builds this cable car soon. So, let's see. Okay. वीडियो हम करते रहेंगे चढ़ते चढ़ते. चलो बाय. This is the view halfway. There's the moon as well, I can see. I don't think you can see. And up top you can see a white colored building. That's I think
Yeah, that's the mandir.
that's the mandir. And this is the way up. Okay, we'll
चलो
show you
चलते
the
हैं.
way up. Come on. And there are horses as well. These are muscular horses, boss.
Horses are muscular always.
Yeah, I love horses. Just check the view. It's just amazing. Just amazing. We're almost at the top, and here's Srijan trekking all the way up. How is it? Blood
It's
pumping.
tiring.
Blood pumping.
Yeah, heart pumping.
Ah,
Yeah, it's tiring,
No.
but I think it's worth it. The views are worth it.
there are small temples also in the name of the dead ones. Here's a child who died. In his name, there are small temples. It's very sad also along the way. You've seen family members have, built a stone in the memory of their loved ones. So, you're almost at the top. No, we are not at the top yet. There's a lot more to go. So, hello guys, we are almost up, almost there. And look at Srijan, buddy. He's all
Why?
smoky now.
I'm
He's all smoky.
a bit out of breath. However,
Initially I was a bit out of breath. Now he is out of breath. These are the last few steps. I'll show you. Come. Let's go. Look at the top. But this is achievable. People across all ages are moving forward. There are kids, there are
old people.
there are middle-aged persons, there are young guys. So this is achievable. These are the last few steps. Let's go. You can see the temple view up, the flags of the temple up, and here's Vision trekking up. Okay, so and here's the view. There's the moon as well. I don't think you can see, but here's the view, and there's a nice chilly breeze blowing on our face, and it's rewarding. This wind right now feels rewarding. It's a bright sunny day and a cool breeze is blowing, so it feels very rewarding.
Beautiful temple. There's a beautiful red flag. This is so.
This is amazing. This is rewarding. So, hello guys. Here we are at the Shiva temple of the Surkanda Devi Mandir. Actually, this Shiva temple, and then you can see there is the Hanuman temple. These temples are located outside the main temple. The main temple is located there, but unfortunately we went there inside the main temple, but we weren't able to record the video because it's prohibited there. You are not allowed to shoot videos or take photos inside the temple. That's why we couldn't take. But I must say, it's an amazing experience. Just an amazing experience. You can hear the trumpets. Inside the main temple is another Bhairav temple. This one, which is also really very good. This is the Yajna Kund, where the yajnas take place. Here is the temple gate as well.
So this is the Bajrangbali temple. Bajrangbali temple, and here monkeys are also there. There is a monkey, and here is the statue of Bajrangbali. And here are some bells.
God of power, God of freedom. So yes, and just look at the top of the hill. Just look the view around. Look at the view around. This is the Shiva temple.
Yeah, so this is the Shiva
Shiva
temple.
is your favorite god.
Yeah, Shiva is my favorite god, and here's the Shivling, and here's Shiva and Parvati, or Mahadev and Parvati, I think. He is a free god. That has to be said is that at many places here the sun is very hot, and although the sun is hot, there is a lot of sunlight, but your feet, I am feeling that my feet are not getting sunburned. I want to sit here actually for some time. Oh yeah.
We started late. That's why we have to go down, and we have to go all the way up to Mussoorie.
So okay, see you.
Another
Done.
last view is there. We'll get you there. Another viewpoint from this temple.
So there is a snow-clad mountain at the back. If you can see, I think we have to zoom in a bit. I think.
Just feels amazing.
Let's stay. have come a long way up, and the ascent is the tougher part, but while descending it's easier, but you have to watch your step, otherwise you might slip. So there are a lot of mountains here, plenty of mountains. Here in this flag I think you can see the goddess of
Santoshi Mata.
Santoshi Mata or Durga goddess. At this time there is Durga Puja also. So I think although we are not staying in Kolkata, but we have had a better experience
Yes.
of visiting Lord Durga. Goddess Durga. Goddess. So hello guys. We are at the second eco park, that is in Dhanolti.
This place you can sit back and relax a bit. So it's nice. It's calm.
There is a lot of silence. The sound of silence is amazing.
Yes. Oxymoronic word. Sound of silence. Our trip today ends here. Now we'll be heading back towards the hotel at Mussoorie. We are at Dhanolti and ending this beautiful day
At the top of
at the top of the second eco park at Dhanolti. First we came to Dhanolti, we visited the first eco park, and then we went straight ahead to Surkhanda Devi temple. After that, while coming back, we stopped at the second eco park. And
situated at a greater height.
yes, situated at a greater height. The view is better over here. We have an absolute pin drop silence.
All you can hear is the crickets.
So signing off for today. Bye.